Hello, today we will guide you through how to promote Temu products on Pinterest. To get started, open the Temu website for your region. Once the homepage loads, you'll be on the main shopping page where Temu features categories like clothing, beauty, home items, jewelry, and more. This is the starting point for accessing the platform's affiliate tools, which you'll use to share products on Pinterest. From the homepage, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Many websites place important business and program links in the footer area, so this is where you'll usually find options related to partnerships, promotions, and affiliate opportunities. Take your time here and look carefully through the available links. When you see the affiliate and influencer program option, click it to continue. This section is designed for users who want to earn by promoting products. After opening it, you'll be taken to the affiliate area where Temu provides tools and product sharing options. Next, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Hot Items. This section typically highlights products that are currently popular or performing well, which can be a helpful place to begin if you want to promote items that already have strong appeal. Choosing trending products can make your Pinterest posts more relevant and potentially more engaging. Once the Hot Items page opens, select a sample item that you want to promote. Try choosing a product that fits the type of audience you want to reach on Pinterest. For example, visually appealing products often perform well because Pinterest is a highly image-focused platform. After selecting the item, click on Share. This will open the available sharing options for that product. The Share feature is important because it helps generate the proper promotional link connected to the item you chose. From the sharing options, click on Pinterest. This sends the product toward the Pinterest sharing flow, allowing you to create a pin for that specific item. At this stage, Temu is helping connect the product with Pinterest in a more direct and convenient way. If prompted, log into your Pinterest account and then follow the on-screen instructions. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to choose a board, confirm the pin details, or complete the publishing process. Be sure to review the content before posting so it matches the board you want to use and looks appropriate for your audience. And that's it. You've successfully started promoting a Temu product on Pinterest using the affiliate sharing tools.